Welcome to my channel. The video is about the possible lineup of Barcelona next season 2020 and 21. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. The possible lineup of Barcelona next season 2020 and 21 after sacked Zidane and contract the new coach Koeman from Netherlands. This lineup is possible if Barca will buy or contract new player and sell the other players. The lineup are at the goalkeeper place Marc-Andre ter Stegen. The Germany goalkeeper showed great levels at the beginning of the season, then the level dropped after the club's level fell. On the right back, Emerson, the Brazilian defender. The Brazilian player loaned to Real Betis from Barcelona. The player showed great levels with Real Betis. He played 34 games with Real Betis and scored 3 goals and made 6 assists. On the left back, Jose Luis Gaya, the Valencia player. Barcelona want to buy the Valencia player and offered 50 million to buy the player who will cover the Alaba place next season. At the centre back, Eric Garcia. Eric Garcia was Barca youth player before playing in Manchester City. Barca want to contract the player and offer 15 million to buy it. On the centre back, CB Malangsar, the French player which are play with Nice FC from France are now free of contract, so Barca want to win this player and want to buy it free without take the part of other side Nice FC. At the CDM centre back Frankie de Jong, the Dutch player or young player of Barca and can give more to Barca midfield next season. At the came left midfield Miralem Pjanic, the Bosnia player that come from Juventus after Juventus and Barca make the swap that Barca contract Pjanic and Juventus contract the Arthur Melo, the Brazilian player. And at the right midfield came the Dutch player and the Ajax players want the big or one of the best player of Ajax and the Dutch coach want to bring him in Barcelona. And at the right winger Lionel Messi. It is true that a player declared that it is possible for him to leave the club this summer, but after sacked Zidane and by the new coach and new plan, it is possible that Messi will say yes to Barca new season. And on the left winger Ousmane Dembele. The French player did not play more match for Barca due to lot of injuries, but the Dutch coach Koeman said that Dembele will be one of the key player in Barcelona. And on the striker plays Lautaro Martinez. The Inter Milan and Argentina striker was one of the Barca goal last season. It is true that Lautaro Martinez market value is high, but if Barca sell the Suarez or Griezmann, it will be able to pay for Martinez to come to Barcelona.